Hi there, little gardeners. I'm Garden Gal, and today we're going to learn some awesome garden words. Are you ready? Let's go! This is a watering can. We use it to give our plants a drink of water. This is a spade. It's a little shovel to dig holes and plant seeds. These are garden gloves. They keep our hands safe while we work. This is a rake. We use it to gather leaves and make our garden tidy. These are plant labels. We write plant names on them to know what's growing. Soil is the dirt where plants grow. It's full of nutrients. Seeds are what we plant to grow new plants. They're like tiny baby plants. A trowel is a small hand tool used for digging small holes. This is a hose. It sprays water to help keep our garden wet. A wheelbarrow helps us carry heavy things in the garden. Pruners are scissors for plants. We use them to trim and cut branches. Compost is made from old plants and food scraps. It helps plants grow. Sunlight is the light from the sun. Plants need it to grow. Water is essential for plants. It helps them stay healthy. Flowers are the pretty parts of some plants. They come in many colors. Wow! We've learned so many new garden words today. Gardening is so much fun and helps our plants grow big and strong. Thanks for joining me, little gardeners. See you next time. Happy Kids Channel.